Please adjust the upper shoulder plate, as this position is loose. First, loosen the screws on both sides. Then, adjust the state of these two areas. Next, loosen the stem screw. Tighten this screw. Then, tighten these two screws. First, align the handlebar in the correct direction, and then tighten the stem screw.